Okay, so this is the screen for the art studio. And in the last class, we have seen how to enter the variable. What is this assignment? What is this meaning of x, and so on. So if we have entered two variable and we want addition of two variables, so we can use the command z is equal to x plus y, or z is equal to this operator. So either you can use this operator or you can use equal sign. Both the meaning is same. You want to see how many variables are there, then use the command ls open close brackets. This give the list of the variables. Then we have a creating a variable. So we have seen how to create a vector last class. So vector having the homogeneous element. So if we have one or more element, but they are in homogeneous means they have the same characteristic, then we can create a vector. So you can print, either you can print or you can write simply x. There is no problem. So x is my variable. So I can use ALP, I can use some alphabets, I can use whatever I want, I can use it. But make sure that whenever you are using whatever alphabets, same thing you have to run it. It's not like you have entered x as a vector, but you are writing ALP. So ALP is not a new thing. Always remember, whatever variables you are entering, same variable you run. Then we have seen a little bit sequencing. What is the sequencing? So whenever you have a big number like 1 to 1000, 1 to 2000, then we cannot able to enter the vector. That is difficult for us.
अरे कुत्ते बित्ते का आवाज आ रहा है, किसी को बोलो माइक बंद करने।
I'll mute. Don't I'll mute it.
हाँ सर।
But that's better for us.
विजय भाई म्यूट बंद
हाँ, वो थोड़ा सीखना पड़ेगा. Okay. So you go to chat box and just write it, because I cannot able to understand you, and you can understand. Okay. So whenever you want to if we have a big number and we want to enter as a vector, it is a very difficult task for us to enter the vector. So in that scenario, you always go for either sequencing or you can go for repetition. So if the number is repeated so many times, suppose let's say 5 is repeated 20 times. So instead of writing 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 will be 20 times using C vector, using C function. I can use the command repeat 5, 20, and then you can run it. You will get the same thing. But suppose somebody wanted to know how many observations are there in that Z5. So you can use always length Z5, length Z5, and it will show you that there is a 20 observation. Similarly, you want to repeat like the number 2, 5 means if you want to repeat 5 will be 20 times, it is very simple. But if you want to repeat 2 number will be 100 times, then it is difficult. So in that case, you have to create first a column vector. Either you create and give some variable, let's say x, and then you use command repeat, or you can directly use repeat C of 2, 5, 100, and you can run Z7. You can come out with the solution. So I have shown you both. Maybe you can use this one. If you are expert, you can go for this. If you are little bit, then you can go for this. See, go step by step logically. Suppose you want to repeat the number 2, 20. 2, 20. You want to make a sequence of 2, 4, 6 till 20. So here I am making a sequence with the difference of 2. So 2, 4, 6. So make a difference of 2. If I omit this, it will give me the 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. But if I include this, it will give me 2, 4, 6, and so on. So we have seen how to check the list, how to remove the any variable, and so on. So this is the basic things we have covered last time. So let us see how to check the matrices. So you can I'm just sharing my next criteria. So we have seen here column vector, that is your vector basically having the homogeneous data. Means I will say if I have a number, I can enter only number, I cannot enter alphabets. But if I have a like data which is two-dimensional, so the vector is having one-dimensional data. So matrix is the two-dimensional data. It contains row and column. It contains row and column. So one can use again a column vector. They can use a column vector function, and they can run it. But always remember, matrix is a two-dimensional rectangular data. Okay, it has a row and column. Okay, so suppose you want to create a vector, you want to create a matrix, maybe having some row and some column. So we can use this command. What is the command? Capital M is equal to, so capital M is a variable. Okay, capital M is a variable. Now see, I have used here column vector. I have used here a column vector. One can directly go by entering their data, let's say X, and they can use this X here also. One can go that way also, there is no problem. But one can, if you're expert, you can go by this, there is no problem. So matrix, so how to enter means how to enter any matrix in the R code, in R program. So matrix is equal to C is a column vector, and since we are writing here alphabets, so either you can use double quote or you can use single quote. Since if it is number, then you can simply enter, but if it is alphabets, whenever it is character, you always use the quote. Then you want number of rows will be 2, okay, and number of column will be 3. This is you have to decide whether you want how many rows, how many column. Okay, and by row is equal to true, means you have to allot these elements by row. If I exclude this one, by default it is column. Always remember, in matrix, whenever you assign the rows and column, by default it is entering by column. Okay, by default it is entering by column. But suppose I wanted to assign the numbers by rows, so we have to write down here by row is equal to true. See, one can write by column is equal to false, meaning is same. So if I write by col is equal to false, that means it is assigning by rows. So there are different way of writing. So if I enter this and if I run this, if I'm taking print m, can you see this? Now since I have a 2 rows, so 2 rows and 3 columns. But how they assigned? By row. So AAB, so AAB, and then we have a CBA, CBA. So always remember, whenever you assigning any rows and column, you check the matrix. Since the matrix is given to you, so we have to see the matrix. Suppose I'll give you another example there. We have a next example also. So have you understood this first problem? Means how we can write the code for matrix. Go to chat box and write down where you are getting actually difficulty. So that I can tell you. Go to chat box and write down. I hope it is very simple program. So you are supposed to just write this matrix. जो भी matrix आपको वहाँ पे दिया है. Now rows and columns is very simple. आपको matrix में दिया है, and you know which is row and which is column. अभी वो that number or that alphabet आप कैसे assign करना? Row wise assign करना है कि column wise? By row meanings you are assigning the number by row. Means like AAB. So AAB. So it is rows wise. But if I exclude this by row, then it will assign AA, means like column wise. So AA, then BC. So BC and then BA. Okay, so I will show you in the maybe the next slide. You will understand. And just type print m, you will get the answer for this. Okay, let's see. Suppose this is the example we have. So now see. Yeah, you can use any letter, but generally in the matrix generally we have a matrix. See, this is the example you will be understand properly, I think. So you can just look on this example, then you will understand. So suppose I have these two matrix. Okay, I have these two matrix, and I want to enter these two matrix first in R code. So one can directly you can enter A and B. You can go for this. So write a program for the following sub question. So we will first see how the code can be written, then we'll go to the demo. So if you have difficulty, you can either you write in chat box, and or you can note it down. I hope this questions and everything, they are all students are writing on the notebook. Okay, so simply as a looking as a presentation and everything, you will be understand, that is absolutely correct. But until at least you'll write it down, not write it down, you'll be little bit have like पढ़ तो सब लिया है, लेकिन अभी थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेट हो रहा है, अभी तो थोड़ा सा डाउट आ रहा है, तो एक बार आप लिख के प्रैक्टिस करो, and you can work on R cloud. So this is the two matrix is there, and we want to see how this matrix works. Means if I'm interested to know what is the inverse, what is the determinant. See, it is very difficult to find inverse like in the usual method. So if you just find inverse, then you can use you have to either you can make all the rows and identity matrix. You have to create identity matrix. That is one method. One can use by Gauss method. So that's Gauss epsilon method. So different technique is in mathematics. So but that is very quite difficult to get understand and getting the inverse of this matrix. But in Art Studio, it's give in the within the 1 minute. Okay, so we will see the demo how. So first you have to enter. See how the question will ask in examinations. So that is also important part of that. So these two matrices is given, and they will ask you the question. Same question will ask you. There is nothing different. Only number will change, but the question format is always same. Okay. So this question I was asked in the last assignment. Assignment means you have internal examination. So students might be done. So enter the above matrices as given label. So as given label, A and B you have to enter. This is the matrices. They are not saying data. Please understand properly. Huh? This is the matrices. So matrices को हमको A और B के नाम से label करना है. तो आपको अपने मन से नाम label नहीं करना. Always remember. Questions में clearly जो instruction आपको दिया है, that instruction you have to follow it. Always follow. Remember, always. So they have given as given label. So whatever the label is given here A and B, you are supposed to enter same matrix. Okay, that is the first question. Second question, calculate A plus B, means you want to addition. Sorry, you want to do subtraction from B minus A. You want to multiply A and B. Now see, there is a difference between A and B multiply and determinant multiply. I will tell you that one by step. Then we have a matrix. You want to define determinant of A, find determinant of B. Sometimes they will not write DET. Sometimes they will write determinant of A. तो आपको कोड समझ में आना चाहिए कि हाँ determinant ही पूछ रहा है. Then you need to find inverse of A. You need to find inverse of A and B. Transpose of A. So this is A dash or A comma. This is all basically a transpose. Then A into B transpose. Then AB ka whole transpose, A transpose. So many things, means basic calculation. Okay. So let's see the solution. See. So first question is enter the above matrices as given below. So can you see this A, capital A is there, so I have written capital A. Don't use small a. Why? Because it is given as given label. तो जो लेबल आपको दिया है, आपको वही लेबल यूज करना है, अपने मन से लेबल नहीं यूज करना है. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. मैट्रिक्स ना मैंने कैसा लिखा है, मैंने 1 2 3 4, तो मैंने 1 2 3 4. Now one can write 1 3 2 4 also, there is no problem, but यहाँ पे by call is equal to 2 लिखना पड़ेगा. वो difference इतना ही है. So I will show you in the demo case how it runs. Similarly, this is the, now since 2 rows 2 columns, so there is no problem rows column, तो आप लिख सकते हैं directly. Then A हो गया, B मैंने कोड किया 2 6 8 4. So 2, अभी देखो मैंने कैसा लिखा है यहाँ पे 2 6 8 12. मैंने see I have entered by column wise. Okay, मतलब मैंने डेटा कैसे लिखा है 2 6 8 12 और यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है मैंने by row is equal to true. I think there is some so if I take row wise तो row wise नहीं आएगा, answer will be comes difference here because if I write by true I have to suppose to write f here. Okay, so we will see that there is some syntax problem or maybe it is f. If you print this you will be get the solution and you can write b minus a. Simply you have to write b minus a. Simply now we have to multiply a and to b. So usually आप कैसे multiply करते हैं? Whenever you have a 2 rows 2 column, so first matrix का column should match with second matrix का row. Then only the multiplication will be the possible. Otherwise multiplication possible नहीं होता है. Okay? Because वो row को multiply करता है column में, row को multiply करता है column में. And add up करके matrix का value लाता है. So if you are not going to simply write a into b, वो individual multiplication कर देगा. I will show you that demo in that. So just understand how the multiplication done. So always remember for multiplication you have a percentage sign and in between you have a multiplication. Then you want to determinant of a, use determinant of a, determinant of b. Now this is the inverse of a. See now how it is very simple in the you can't imagine that getting inverse in a. It's very simple in the RStudio. आपने मैट्रिक्स लिखा, simply write solve a. जैसे आप solve a लिखोगे आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा उसका inverse of a, inverse of b, transpose of a. See how it is very simple. So for writing transpose of a you can use t of capital A. So t means transpose. Then you want to multiply a b dash. A b dash. B dash means the transpose of b. So I have written multiplication. So percentage sign transpose of b. Then you want to multiply a into b but whole transpose. Right? So a पहले multiplication करना है और उसका transpose लेना है. Then this is the output of entire thing. Okay, so we'll stop here and we'll go to the I'm just sharing my screen for RStudio, then you'll be understand how it runs. So I'm just entering same I hope you have this matrix, so please at least you take down the matrix. जो मैट्रिक्स हमारे पास था वो मैट्रिक्स आप लिख के लेना है आपके नोट में. And I told you that you are supposed to write it down entire thing. Okay, तो उसमें इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो मेरे पास मैट्रिक्स था 1 2 3 4. तो 1 2 3 4 में लेता हूँ. So I have a matrix 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I'm just entering the matrix. So matrix, and I'm using the column vector C 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of rows I want. See, once you write n rows, na, automatically the things will come automatically. You can just select equal to 2 rows, comma, n call automatically comes 2, comma. Now suppose I just wanted to write like this. Okay, I'm just writing this command. I'm not writing because some student will get confused between by row and by column. Suppose मुझे इतना ही लिखना है और इसको मैं execute करता हूँ और मैं इसको a लिखता हूँ और इसको that means I'm running this. I wanted to see कि a में क्या आता है. देखो मैंने क्या बोला, अगर आप नहीं लिखोगे तो by default column wise आएगा. तो मेरे को लगता है ऐसा आना चाहिए 1 then column next entry below में आएगा 2 3 4 ऐसा आना चाहिए. ठीक, by default it is column. So 1, next entry is 2, then 3 and then 4. By default it is assigning by column. So remember, but actually मेरा मैट्रिक्स ऐसा है 1 यहाँ पे है 2 यहाँ पे है, मतलब I wanted to see by rows. So just write command by row is equal to, either I will write capital T or I will write entire thing, true, 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 both will work. Okay, so if I run this and again I'll execute this A, now can you see what is changes? Have you understood these two techniques? Go to chat box and write down. So this is the way you can always enter the matrices or any matrix. Okay. So doubt on that we will see later on. Now I want to enter capital B, which is, what is that? अभी मैं एक मैं कॉलम से ऐड करके दिखाता हूँ आपको, कॉलम से कैसे ऐड करना. तो जो मेरा एंट्री था, my entry was 26812. That was my entry. 26. So matrix. Now entering by column, always remember. मतलब मुझे जो matrix दिया है, let me use this epic so that I can able to write down matrix, because आप matrix बार बार नहीं देख सकते. Just give me a moment. I will starting the. Okay. So 6, 8. Just have to go back and again see that matrix, and that is a problem. 6 at 8, 6, 2, 6, 2, 6, 8, 12. 2, 6, 8, 12. 2, 6, 8, 12. See, this I have entered using column. Remember, मतलब मैंने अभी ये फर्स्ट 1 2 3 4 मैंने रो वाइज चेक किया था, अभी इसको मैं कॉलम वाइज एंटर कर रहा हूँ. तो अगेन n row is equal to 2, n call is equal to 2, and by call is equal to, अभी मुझे यहाँ पे by call लिखने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, because by default it will take by call. Okay, so make sure that you can there is no need of writing the by call. It automatically it will take the matrix and it will execute. See, execute. Sorry, it is showing some sentence. So there is a problem. Yeah, double code. This I have. Okay. Space problem. Matrix spelling. Okay, execute. Now see, 2, 6, 8, 12. So there is a by default. By default, it will take always column. So अगर आपने column wise लिखा है, तो by default आपको column लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Automatically it will take 2, 6, 2, 6, 8, 12. But if you are writing by row, आपने यहाँ पे जो assignment किया है, वो आप by default आप you are writing in terms of rows. तो आपको यहाँ पे by row लिखना पड़ेगा. Otherwise you can go for by call. So suppose now I hope you are clear with entering the or I can write here by comma by row is equal to false, by row is equal to f. Still you will get same answer. You will get the same answer. Can you see? You will get the same answer. So it is a matter of how you are dealing with syntax. So once you are expert in that, you can explore more and more. Suppose I'm interested to know what was my first question? forget that file. Just open and again and see. Okay, this is enter. Suppose I'm interested to know about A and B. Okay, I'm interested to find some things. I'm just taking randomly few questions to understand you. Suppose I'm interested to find A plus B. तो अभी A plus B क्या आना चाहिए एक्चुअली आपके हिसाब से? तो I'll clear this screen first. तो क्लियर करने के लिए क्या करना है आपको? यहाँ पे कंसोल पे क्लिक करना है और कंट्रोल L प्रेस करना है. तो जैसे आप कंट्रोल तो देखो अभी क्या होता है, फ्यू सिंटेक्स इट इज नॉट देयर इन पीपीटी. तो जब कभी भी मैं वो सिंटेक्स बोलता हूँ तो आपको आपके नोटबुक में नोट डाउन करना है. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. ओके, सो कंसोल पे क्लिक करना है एंड प्रेस करना है कंट्रोल L. once you control L, it will clear your window. Now I wanted to add A plus B. Okay, so let me explore. Let me give A, let me give B. अभी इसको ऐड करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 1 plus 2 3 मिलना चाहिए, 2 plus 6 10 मिलना चाहिए, 9 मिलना चाहिए, 16 मिलना चाहिए. Let's say add A plus. Can you see? This plus this 3. I just little bit do this. Sorry. And 2 8 become 10 and so on. Okay, you want B minus A. Okay, B minus A. Sorry. See, either you can write here also, there is no problem, but better to write here because you can modify and you can change, you can do whatever you want. So you want to do B minus A. तो जब B minus A करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? So what will be the B minus A? Let's execute and see. B minus A means you have a matrix B. B is this, and minus A means this one. So 2 minus 1, answer will be 1. Answer is 1. Then 6 minus 3. Okay, so answer will be 3. Okay, and so on. I wanted a determinant of A. A determinant of A कैसे निकालते हैं आप लोग? You have simply get multiply this minus this. So determinant क्या है आपका? 1 into 4. So 4 minus 6 minus 2. So answer should be minus 2. Just write determinant of A. अभी देखो determinant of A किसी ने small a लिख दिया for example. तो मुझे क्या syntax आएगा? Can you see here? A is not found. Always remember. I think I have already mentioned. जब कभी भी ऐसा बोलता है ऑब्जेक्ट A is not found, मतलब वो वेरिएबल है ही नहीं आपके पास. बाय मिस्टेक यू थिंक ना चलो A स्मॉल है और कैपिटल में क्या फर्क है. Let's enter it and see whether there is an infect or not. It is going to be effect because our software is a case sensitive. तो आपने जो वेरिएबल एंटर किया सेम वेरिएबल आपको एंटर इन दैट केस. सो इट इज कैपिटल है एंड यू कैन फाइंड डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ. देखो आंसर मिल गया -2. और मैन्युअली भी करेंगे तो आपको -2 मिलेगा बिकॉज 1 into 4 4 minus 6 so -2. तो डिटरमिनेंट आपका नेगेटिव आ रहा है. और आपको मालूम है कि अगर डिटरमिनेंट 0 आता है तो इनवर्स पॉसिबल नहीं होता. ओके, यू आर नोइंग दैट प्रॉपर्ली. ओके, बिकॉज इनवर्स निकालने के लिए आपको कुछ फॉर्मूला है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए अपॉन डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए. दैट्स द फॉर्मूला. बट दिस कैलकुलेशन डन बाय डायरेक्टली इन द सॉफ्टवेयर. Suppose you're interested to find transpose of A. Okay, so just write T of A, capital A. T of capital A. Okay, I'm just writing T of capital A. Execute and see. See. पहले कैसा था आपका 1 2 3 4. अभी कैसा हो गया 1 3 means rows become column ना. तो पहले 1 2 rows था, अभी 1 2 column हो गया. I hope you are clear with this because this is all very preliminary thing which you have studied. Now let's move to the let's move to the, so this is the basically transpose of matrix. This is basically, so you can put comment. Always remember when you want to put comment, always use hash and you can write your comment. So this is a determinant. Okay, determinant of A. Now I'm interested to get multiplication of two matrix. तो देखो अगर आप usually आप अगर मैं a इंटू बी डायरेक्टली लिखता हूँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्योंकि मुझे सपोज मालूम नहीं है, मुझे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना, तो सिंपली मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करते हो आप लोग, a इंटू बी, तो ये क्या मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेगा, हाँ? तो लेट्स एग्जीक्यूट एंड सी व्हाट इज द आउटपुट, 2 16, व्हाट इज दैट, तो क्या कर रहा है एक्चुअली ये, 1 इंटू 2, 2 into 8, 16. 2 in means actually this a into b, it multiplies by element. It is multiply by element. So element से element means first row का जो first element है multiply कर रहा है second row के same element से. Are you getting a point? A11 with B11, A12 with B12 and so on. But actually that is wrong. We want a matrix multiplication. तो matrix multiplication के लिए A percentage sign, multiplication sign, and again percentage sign, and then type B and execute and see. Can you see? अभी आपको मल्टीप्लिकेशन अगर मैन्युअली आएगा तो ही आप मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर सकते हैं. तो फर्स्ट रो को आप सेकंड कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, सॉरी फर्स्ट रो को फर्स्ट दूसरे मैट्रिक्स के फर्स्ट कॉलम से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करोगे. तो 1 into 2 which is 2, 2 into 6 which is 12. So answer is 14. The first element is 14. I hope you are knowing how to get multiplication, because I feel you are all in, like you are able to do this all multiplication. I will tell you another one. Suppose I wanted to set next element. तो फर्स्ट रो का सेकेंड कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो अपने को सेकेंड एंट्री मिलेगा. तो 1 into 8 it is 8, 2 into 4 24, तो 24 plus 8 32. So answer is 32. I hope you are okay with this. There should not be any ambiguity. So this is the way you can multiply matrices. Multiplication of matrix. This is the way you can do the multiplication. So transpose is done, determinant is done, multiplication is done. Let's see the inverse. So अगर मैं कैपिटल सॉल्व लिखूंगा, देखो वर्कआउट होता है क्या. देखो जैसे आप कैपिटल लिखोगे ना तो ऑटोमेटिक यहाँ पे सिंटेक्स मिल जाएगा. कैपिटल कुछ लेटर है ही नहीं अपने. ओके, सो अपने को यू हैव टू ऑलवेज सिलेक्ट स्मॉल. ओके, डोंट राइट कैपिटल. अगर कैपिटल आपने लिख दिया, बिकॉज वी हैव हैबिट ऑफ राइटिंग कैपिटल एन कैपिटल वी, तो अगर आपने कैपिटल एस लिख दिया बट वो सिंटेक्स है ही नहीं एक्चुअली, तो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग इट विल शो यू सम सिंटेक्स, और आपको वो सिंटेक्स पे प्रॉपर्ली जाना है. I am interested to get the inverse of A. I hope you know how to find inverse of A. So I'm not taking any manually. You can work on this and you can get the inverse of this. So it's a very simple. You can very easy to get the inverse in the R Studio. So this is the way you can find inverse of A. Suppose you are find inverse of A into B. Okay. So just solve or inverse of A into B. Yeah. A into B मतलब ये वाला. You just copy this and you can paste this and solve this. मतलब आपने अभी देखो यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है, solve is not because आपने capital लिखा है ना, so supposed to write small. So automatically you will get syntax also. You will get syntax also where you are writing. See now if we do actually hands-on practice at college, so many students are getting so many like error. But क्या होता है, it is not possible to reach every student. So we have to find what is the error, and we have to solve error by self. See, until you will be not solve error by yourself, you will be not learn anything. Always go for this. तो ये क्या बोल रहा है, could not find the function solve. तो solve function नहीं find कर रहा है मतलब क्या, कुछ तो syntax problem है या फिर कुछ तो spelling mistakes है, तो आप उधर जाओ और modify करो. तो this is the way you can find inverse of A into B. Remember, AB मतलब it is not your usual multiplication. It is the row with column. So that is the way you can always you can find the inverse of A. So let me see what is the time so that we can stop. Yeah. So we can have a doubt session. So we can. I'll stop here. If you have any difficulty, you can discuss. There is no problem. So I'm just muting to everyone. So let me see the chat box also. Uh,
सर मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स एंड मल्टीपल बाय एलिमेंट्स का डिफरेंस क्या है?
बेटा मल्टी एलिमेंट मतलब क्या? आपका जो I'll show you. Can you see my screen ना?
यस सर.
Yes,
हाँ.
sir.
फर्स्ट एलिमेंट को फर्स्ट एलिमेंट से ही मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. इसका मतलब हो गया है A into B. समझ रहे आप? फर्स्ट सेकेंड एलिमेंट का सेकेंड एलिमेंट से मल्टीप्लाई करेगा.
2 into 8.
हाँ, तो इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग मल्टीपल बाय एलिमेंट. मतलब एलिमेंट से एलिमेंट मल्टीप्लाई करेगा. मतलब फर्स्ट रो का फर्स्ट रो के सेकेंड रो का फर्स्ट रो के मतलब सेम एलिमेंट होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट इसका है, फर्स्ट इसका है. बट यूजुअली मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे करते हैं हम लोग? फर्स्ट रो के सेकेंड कॉलम. क्यों ऐसा क्यों होता है? और देखो मल्टीप्लिकेशन जब कभी भी आप करते हो तो आपको मालूम है कि उसमें बहुत सारे कंडीशंस होते हैं. कंडीशंस क्या होता है? फर्स्ट रो का फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का जो कॉलम होता है दैट शुड मैच विद द सेकेंड मैट्रिक्स का रो. उसका ऑर्डर सेम होना चाहिए तो ही मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है. अदरवाइज मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज नॉट पॉसिबल ना. I hope you are knowing this basics.
Yes sir.
Okay. Any other doubt here? Let me see. Let me see from starting. Please run this and work out after the lectures. You see, it is not like other paper again and again mentioning, because other paper you have entire notes, you can work, you can write in practice, everything is possible. But doing this paper, you need to be use R Cloud and work on that. Because just write on book, it is not going to be actually feel. Okay, so work on this and you can get it. ओके. राहुल पाल का क्वेश्चन है, बाय रो का मतलब क्या? बाय रो का मतलब बेटा आपको जो एलिमेंट दिया है ना, आपको मैट्रिक्स कौन से वे में दिया है उसके बेसिस पे आप बाय रो वाइज एंटर कर सकते हो या बाय कॉलम वाइज एंटर कर सकते हो. बोथ वे इज पॉसिबल. ओके. वन कैन यूज कैपिटल लेटर ऑल्सो या यू कैन यूज कैपिटल लेटर ऑल्सो, बट मैट्रिक्स में जनरली आपको नंबर्स होता है so you can use number also. It will run. Yeah, definitely it will run. By call false. Yeah, it will run definitely. I think I have also shown here. Not shown. You just work out here. I will suppose I write by here by call. If I write by call and if I write false here, it will run or not. You can work out. So I'll just execute this. Error syntax T by root of 5. It should run. Maybe by calls or call. It is not showing that below syntax. Or see, as I mentioned now, by column it will take by default, but it should run. I think by call also it should run. Unused argument. Why they say unused matrix to matrix A and column. Okay, I'll see this. What is the problem? Then Ashish Rana. Yeah, you can work with this also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you can use like if the number is like 1, 2, 3, 4, you can work 1:4 also. That is fine. But usually it is not given a particular in sequence. So we have to write individual number. But that is also correct. This is the way you can also write 1:4 because it is in sequence. Na? You can write. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I write by row is equal to false. It will give a column. Correct. If you write by by row is equal to false, F, I hope you will get by column. So can you see here 1, 2, 3, 4. By row wise लिखा मैंने false. By false मतलब मुझे column wise देगा. तो 1, 2, 3, 4 column wise दिया. Correct. Matrix spelling is wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. Close bracket. Yeah, correct. A plus B में एंटर या जनरली एडिशन जो होता है सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है बेटा वो एलिमेंट वाइज ही होता है. आई होप यू आर नोइंग दिस राइट. जो एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है वो एलिमेंट वाइज होता है बट जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन होता है वो रो विद कॉलम एंड रो विद कॉलम होता है. करेक्ट. समथिंग इज नो जादू. ओके element wise. Okay, first row of A multiply with first column. Absolutely correct. First row of A multiplication with correct. That is called multiplication. We have to use this percentage sign for getting multiplication. I don't think so will run by call because by call option is not there. Maybe by call option is not there, but let me check whether it is there or not. Just assign the true and false and let's see. So then you don't use this one. You can go by directly by row also. No problem. क्योंकि by call लिखने की जरूरत ही नहीं वहाँ पे क्यों by default by call लेता है ना आपका. रिवाइज करने के लिए सर कोई वीडियो कहाँ मिलेगा बेटा. रिवाइज करने के लिए आप ये पीपीटी जो दिया है मैंने ऑलरेडी कैनवास में अपलोड कर दिया है. 1 यूनिट का आपका पूरा स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको ये मिल जाएगा. और अदर थिंग अगर आपको और रिवाइज करना है तो दिस यूट्यूब इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल प्राइवेटली इन माई यूट्यूब. आई विल शेयर दैट लिंक टुडे. Okay, so you can subscribe that and you can see all videos. तो जितना भी हमारा 3-4 लेक्चर जो भी हुआ है that is available in YouTube also. So you can see those videos also. Okay, but better to you can use R Cloud and you can work on this. R Cloud में है brother. नहीं R Cloud तो है. You can work on this and sorry, yeah, correct. Canvas में भी है. कैनवास में आपको वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा. या वी विल सी आर बाउंड एंड सी बाउंड आल्सो लेटर ऑन. स्टिल रिकॉर्डिंग से रिकॉर्ड कर लेंगे. अच्छा गुड कर लो बेटा फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम भी नहीं है. A plus B एडिशन एलिमेंट वाइज. ओके so this was the all doubt session. Okay, anyone having any other difficulty or maybe other thing? Yes, no one doubt.
विकेश पूछना डाउट है तेको.
I hope I hope matrix is very simple. So you have already seen how to, because you have a feel of you doing solving the usual multiplications. So you are familiar with those simplifications and you can work on this. So this is the very simple things we have started today. How to perform matrix and you can work on that. Okay. So slowly we'll move to the. So I think next lecture.
Sir.
हाँ बोलिए बेटा.
सर फरत पूछ रही है कि परसेंटेज साइन क्यों यूज होता है वहाँ पे.
बेटा परसेंटेज साइन नहीं यूज करेंगे ना तो वो एलिमेंट वाइज मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेगा, इसीलिए परसेंटेज साइन वहाँ पे डालना.
ओके सर.
अच्छा कौन लेक्चर आपका. हाँ अभी आई थिंक 11 o'clock अगेन आई एम टेकिंग. तो फीडबैक फॉर्म हम लोग उस सेशन में करेंगे और फिर कंटिन्यू मैट्रिक्स का. ओके so madam has already joined, but if you want a break you can take a break, there is no problem. But before that the majority students start using the canvas, right? but still there are few students who are not login and they are not running. Means, so I hope you can work on that. तो अभी यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने अभी तक क्विज 1 अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया है. So I request those students who are not login that please work on quiz 1 and complete your quiz 1 first. Okay. Shahil, Dubey, Deepak, Shubham, Navneet, Vikesh, Gyan Prakash, Shivanshu, Amit, Ajit. Okay. So please you go to Canvas and at least you do first quiz. First quiz is based on your first PPT, which is introduction of R. और बाकी लोग सेकंड क्यूज पे आप मत जाइए, बिकॉज सेकंड क्यूज मतलब क्या, आप सेकंड क्यूज पे गए तो आप वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकते हो, यू कैन नॉट स्कोर मोर. तो आप थोड़ा पहले पेशेंस रखो. एक बार अपना पीपीटी हो गया, देन डेफिनेटली जो भी पीपीटी असाइनमेंट वहां पे है सब आपको ही करना है. बट आई थिंक एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीक आई वांट ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स शुड कंप्लीट at least quiz 1. Okay, is that clear, all the student?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, okay.
So I hope I should get the positive response from your side. Okay, so Saturday means tomorrow is now I think holiday, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So you can work on Canvas, you go through that PPTs there on Canvas and then go on quiz 1. तो अगर जिसको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, they can take the help of your friends, because आपके I think 50% students ने already quiz 1 कर लिया है और they scored I think majority score 90%. Majority students score 90%. Okay, so I will not take their name, but once all students will finish, then I will, if you want your marks, I think you can able to see your marks. अच्छा, जो स्टूडेंट्स ने अटेम्प्ट किया है उनको वो मार्क्स देख सकते हैं क्या?
Yes, sir.
अरे गुड, वेरी नाइस, very nice. Okay, but I can see you if you are login. So suppose for example अमन ने लॉगिन किया था, तो अमन ने लॉगिन किया था तो मुझे अमन का यहाँ पे सब डिटेल मालूम पड़ता है कि अमन ने कभी लॉगिन किया था, कैसे किया था. तो अमन ने क्विज 2 भी अटेम्प्ट किया हुआ है, जिसमें उसने अच्छा लाइक 90% स्कोर किया है. उसने वेडनेसडे को लॉगिन किया था. सी ऑल डिटेल्स आई कैन फाइंड हियर, ऑल डिटेल्स. ओके
Sir, but I can't able to go for assignment.
you can't go by assignment because वो मैं अभी लॉक किया हूँ, क्योंकि असाइनमेंट जाने के लिए आपको वो असाइनमेंट सबमिट करना पड़ेगा. तो अभी जो ये सेशन होगा ना अपना 11 o'clock वाला, उसमें मैं आपको थोड़ा गाइड करूंगा कि वो असाइनमेंट को कैसे आपको वर्कआउट करना है. और once you upload that assignment, then you can go by directly next means you can proceed with the next task. Okay, so I'll stop. I think madam is waiting for my this thing. Okay, let me wait. Let me, yeah. Hello madam. Hello, good morning madam. Madam is there? Jashi madam is there?
No, मैं होस्ट है.
हाँ
सर
हाँ बोलिए.
सर आपने मुझे इसका कैनवास के आईडी का मेल नहीं किया, मतलब ऐसे
क्या
वो
नाम,
दिन में कोई
क्या
अब्दुल
नाम है बेटा
अजीज.
आपका? हाँ
अब्दुल अजीज.
Abdul Aziz. Let me see that whether you are joined or not.
तो वो दिन क्विज में कुछ ग्लिच हो गया था, तो मैम ने हमारा नाम ली, फिर बोली सर आपको मेल भेज देंगे, लेकिन आपका मेल आया नहीं.
मैं चेक कर लेता ना बेटा, मैं आपको मेल भेजा कि नहीं भेजा, कि मेरे पास सब रिकॉर्ड है, स्टेप बाय स्टेप सब रिकॉर्ड है, कौन से दिन मैंने किसको मेल भेजा, क्या किया, सब कुछ मिलेगा मुझे. डोंट वरी. मतलब आप ऐसा आप कुछ भी रैंडमली नहीं बोल सकते हो.
हाँ ठीक है सर, चेक कर लो.
हाँ मैं बोलता हूँ. एंड वंस द मैडम विल ज्वाइन आई विल मेक मैडम पोस्ट. अभी भी यहाँ पे 5 स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिन्होंने मतलब उनको मेल मिला है लेकिन उन्होंने ये नहीं किया हुआ है, एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया. आई टेक देयर नेम. प्रणव सतीश मात्रे इज देयर. शिवांशु इज देयर. शिवांशु, आई थिंक शिवांशु को देखा मैंने.
Yes, Shivanshu is there. Matre is there, sir.
Where is Matre?
प्रणय मात्रे बोला
Rahul sir,
हाँ बोलिए बेटा.
sir, ma'am has already joined.
अच्छा मैडम, but madam is not like ma'am,
responding.
can you order, can you hear me, ma'am? Hello ma'am, can you hear me? Okay, once the madam will this thing, then I will stop, no problem. Pranav, you can I think मैंने आपको already mail किया है बेटा. Okay, let me take the
सर
name
मैम
first.
का माइक
सर मैम का माइक म्यूट है.
मैडम आपका माइक म्यूट है मैडम.
Hello.
हाँ मैम, yeah, now I can hear you. Now I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, so
Make me host, then you can leave.
yeah ma'am, okay. So I will take these few names will be the coming session. Okay, so I hope that by the time you can log in and see. Okay, ma'am, I have made you the host. You can.
Yeah.
I just get this.
Hello.
Yeah ma'am, I left it.